In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize table rows and columns in Google Slides. If you've ever dropped a table into a slide and wished a little more space here or a little less there, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and precise so your slides look polished without any guesswork. First, open Google Slides and load the presentation where your table lives. If you're starting from the homepage, just pick the file you want and open it. Once your slide is up, make sure you're on the slide that contains the table you want to adjust. Next, click anywhere inside the table to select it. You'll know it's active when you see the selection box around the table and the cell borders highlight. If you accidentally select another object, just click directly inside one of the table's cells to focus on it. To resize rows, move your cursor over the horizontal line that separates two rows. When you're right on the border, your cursor changes to a double-headed vertical arrow. Click and drag that line up to make the row shorter, or drag it down to make the row taller. Release the mouse when it looks right. As you adjust, keep an eye on the text inside the cells. Google Slides will reflow the content, so you can quickly judge whether the row height feels comfortable and readable. If you want finer control, zoom in a bit so small adjustments are easier to see. And remember, if something doesn't look right, a quick undo gets you back on track. Now let's resize columns. Hover over the vertical line between two columns until the cursor switches to the double-headed horizontal arrow. Click and drag left to narrow a column, or right to widen it. This is especially helpful when you have longer labels or want to tighten up extra space. As with rows, the text will wrap as needed, so you can immediately see how the change affects your layout. If you want to adjust the entire table at once, select the table and look for the handles around its edges. Drag a corner handle to scale the table proportionally, keeping the overall shape consistent while making everything larger or smaller. This is great for fitting the table neatly within the slide's margins. If you prefer to stretch only the width or the height, use a side handle instead. After resizing, you can click and drag the table to reposition it so it aligns nicely with other content. And that's it. Your table rows and columns are now resized in Google Slides. Thanks for watching.